Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica Return of the Ancients. First, you will need to install the mod itself. Begin by ensuring your Subnautica game is updated to its stable version. Next, download and install BepInEx, which is essential for running most Subnautica mods. Then, join the official architects of the Unknown Discord server to find the latest demo files for Return of the Ancients and any required libraries. Finally, extract these files and carefully place them into your BepInEx plugins folder to activate the mod. Once the mod is installed, prepare to dive into an expanded world. You will encounter the truly immense gargantuan Leviathan, a creature far larger than any seen before. Explore new, mysterious biomes and uncover ancient precursor bases, each holding secrets. Keep an eye out for unique flora and fauna, such as the alpha peeper, which add to the alien ecosystem. These new discoveries will deepen your understanding of Planet 4546b's history. To survive and thrive in these new depths, you will need advanced tools. The mod introduces a new fabricator with dozens of unique crafting recipes. You can create powerful new equipment, such as the sonic deterrent, which helps repel dangerous creatures. Enhance your vehicles with upgrades like the Cyclops Ion Booster module for increased speed and utility. Additionally, construct new base modules and alien decorations to customize your underwater habitats. Beyond exploration and crafting, Return of the Ancients offers an engaging new storyline. This narrative weaves into the existing Subnautica lore, focusing on the reemergence of extinct creatures and their ties to ancient technology. You will decipher precursor messages and analyze artifacts to piece together their past experiments and the reasons behind the Ancients' return. Be ready for fresh challenges and objectives as you delve deeper into this expanded, thrilling story.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.